Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add money to Cash App without debit card. All right, so let's begin. So there are three different options that you can use. The first one is to go to the top right and click on your profile icon. Click on where it says Linked Banks. And if you don't want to link a debit card, what you can do is actually just link straight to your bank. All you have to do is click on Link a Bank, and then you can go through the process of linking your bank account. That way, you don't actually have to use your debit card. You can just link directly to your bank. However, if you don't want to do this, you can go down to the card icon at the bottom left. What you can do here is get a cash card. This cash card is actually kind of cool because you can order the cash card, which is completely free, and then you can go to multiple stores such as Walgreens or CVS and add cash onto the card at the cashier. This means that you don't actually have to link your debit card. You can just use this as its own debit card that you can refill with cash at any time. So it's completely free to get one of these. All you have to do is tap on Get Free Cash Card, choose the style you want, and then click on Order Card. Now, if you don't want to do either of those, you have one last option, which is to have someone you know send you cash through the app, and then you can just pay them back in actual physical currency. So say someone sends you $50 through Cash App, you can just give them a $50 bill. Other than that, these are the only ways that you can actually get cash into your Cash App without having to link your debit card. So that's basically how you can add money to Cash App without debit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.